you are doing?
I'm opening
Wow. What is inside?
dinosaur.
Something special?
Yeah, dinosaur.
You're going to do something special?
Yeah.
Oh. Nice.
Hi friends, today we are talking about different kinds of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are the largest reptiles that lived long years ago. I will show you some of my dinosaurs. First, Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus is the largest dinosaur in the dinosaur world. He has a very long neck and a very long tail. He walks by 4 legs. He eats plants. He's a plant eater. He's a herbivorous. Herbivorous. Next, T-Rex. T-Rex is the scariest dinosaur in the dinosaur world. He has strong and sharp teeth. He has tiny claws and he walks by 2 legs. He eats meat and he's a meat eater. He is a carnivorous. Next, Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus is the largest dinosaur in the dinosaur world. He has a very long neck and a very long tail. He eats plants, so he is a plant eater. He reaches by the tree tops. He walks by 4 legs. He's a plant eater. He is a herbivorous. Next, Pachycephalosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus is a carnivorous, so he eats meat and he is a meat eater. He walks by 2 legs and he has sharp claws. He has a ramming head like a helmet. Next, Pteranodon. Pteranodon has sharp claws and he is a flying dinosaur in the dinosaur world. He has tail and he has a beak. And he has wing to fly. And he is a meat eater, and he eats meat. And he is a carnivorous. Next, Diplodocus. Diplodocus is one of the largest dinosaurs in the dinosaur world. He has a very long neck and a very long tail. And he walks by 4 legs. He can reach by treetops. And he's a herbivorous, so he eats plants. And he's a plant eater. Next, Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus is a herbivorous, so he eats plants and he's a plant eater. And he has so many spikes on his body and on his head, and also tail. And he walks by 4 legs and he eats meat, plant. Next, Triceratops. Triceratops is a herbivorous, so he eats plant and he's a plant eater. Tri means three. He has horns, three horns like rhino. And he walks by four legs. Next, Allosaurus. Allosaurus is the scariest in the dinosaur world. He has very sharp claws and he is a carnivore, so he eats meat and he is a meat eater. Next, Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus is a herbivore, so he eats plant and he is a plant eater. He has so many spikes on his nose and his head, and he walks by four legs. Next, Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is the herbivorous and he eats plant and he is a plant eater. He has so many spikes on his back. He has two small brains, one on his head and one on his hips. Next, Tyrannosaurus rex. Tyrannosaurus rex is a scariest in the dinosaur world. He has very sharp claws and tiny claws, and he has sharp legs. And he's a meat eater, so he eats meat, and he's a carnivorous. Next, baby velociraptor. Velociraptor is a carnivore, so he eats meat and he's a meat eater. And he'll run fast by two legs. Ceratosaurus. Ceratosaurus is a carnivore, so he'll eat meat and he's a meat eater. He has one horn in his nose like a rhino. He has tiny claws and sharp legs. Next, Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is the scariest in the dinosaur world. He has a spine and he'll go under the water and he has a spine in the water and he'll come back. And he has tiny claws and sharp legs and he'll eat meat and he's a carnivorous and he's a meat eater. Next, Pesolopus. Pesolopus is a herbivore, so he eats plant and he's a plant eater. He has a fin like a shark and he walks by two legs and he has very small claws. Next, Gingisaurus. Gingisaurus is a carnivore, so he eats meat and he's a meat eater. He has so many spikes on his tail, body and his head. And he walks by two legs and he has very small claws.
Ronin, so can you show me which is Stegosaurus?
This.
So which dinosaur is your favorite?
My favorite is Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. So this is the
And
biggest-
also Tyrannosaurus rex.
Oh, so both of them are scary ones, right?
Yeah, I like.
I'm so scared of dinosaurs. Do you like
But
them?
but this is in the king of the jungle, so he'll not scare you.
He will attack.
No, he'll attack you. that he let other dinosaurs.
Okay, can you tell me if Spinosaurus and T-Rex fight together, who will win?
Spinosaurus will win. First T-Rex will do like this, and Spinosaurus will do like this. His hand, and he'll do like this, and he'll dead like upset with this.
Like that? Okay, so Spinosaurus will win, right?
Yeah.
So you are Spinosaurus team, right?
Yeah.
But do you know which is my favorite?
Yeah.
I like Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus and Stegosaurus.
That's so cute. He has a very cute face.
He likes Stegosaurus and Brachiosaurus.
But I like Brachiosaurus. It has a very cute face.
I like also one
giraffe.
more. I like also one more Ankylosaurus. He's friendly person.
Oh. So
He's
yeah.
not a scary one.
Okay, so you finished your this dinosaurs class, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So these are some of my dinosaurs. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.